Okay, I'm gonna try to see if this works. The basic issue, I think, is this row right here. I know that a symbol like this will make this entire variable not be read, and this 0 right here is showing up as a text 0. See those quotation marks there? Instead of a data 0. This one should be fine. This one you have an error there. So what I'm going to do is just delete this row, and let's see what happens there. So I'm going to select the rest of the data and copy it to the clipboard. And I'm going to create a new chart. Go to these regular motion chart. And click on the data here. We're going to import data, clear this existing data, pasting that in there, the data that I had copied from your spreadsheet. Now notice we don't have a 2008 on Smithland. I'm hoping that means they just don't put a dot until the 2009 shows up, but let's see what actually happens. And then I'm going to go next. Category is going to be my year. Let's say that we, what did I say? I think I said Z for the total students, right? I need to go back and watch my own video. Let's say poverty rate here and pupil teacher rate here. The label, of course, we want the school name. Let's see what that looks like. Let's just leave all that as it is. And ascending, yep, that'll put years the way that we want them. And there we go. Yep, exactly. So do you see what happened there? 2008 Smithland's not there yet because we deleted that data, but then it appears for the rest of the graph. So at that point, then you would just go through the publication step. You would need to save it and publish it. All right, I hope that helps. There's publish, by the way.